Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set 26. Number 1. Chilled water system delta 10 Fahrenheit. For hot water coil delta it is 20 Fahrenheit. Number 2. How is lockout relay LOR wired? Answer. Coil in parallel with monitored circuit. Contacts in series with monitored circuit. Brake power to reset. Number 3. What is the riser minimum and maximum velocity? Answer. Minimum 1000 fpm, maximum 4000 fpm, feet per minute. Number 4. Split system 25 feet. Pre-charge length. Line length is 40 feet. How much to charge? Answer. Only add charge for 20 feet. Number 5. Cause of broken valves on compressor. Answer. Defective crankcase heater. Number 6. How to check water pump performance? Answer. Measure blank off pressure. Use single gauge. Measure discharge and suction pressure. And then convert psig to feet. Number 7. Location of thermo well. Answer. Top of horizontal run. Angle facing up on vertical. Filled with oil for better heat transfer. Second set. When working in high traffic area, what to do? Answer. Use barricades and flag person. Number 2. For maximum moisture removal, what to do? Answer. Use thick coil with more rows and lower air flow. Number 3. How to change insertion type crankcase heater? Answer. Pump down 1 to 2 inches vacuum. Lockout power. Change quickly to avoid losing oil. Evaluate compressor. Number 4. Characteristics of VAV system. Answer. Delivers constant temperature, constant static pressure, varying volume, requires capacity control of compressor and static pressure control of fan. Number 5. When adjusting control, what to do? Answer. Allow for suction line pressure drop. Cut in is the same. Differential will increase by amount of pressure drop. Cutout decreases by amount of increase in differential. Number 6. Last question. Capillary tube on TXV valve broken. What happens? Answer. It will hunt and starves coil. Share knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said it is more blessed to give than to receive. Acts 20:35, King James Bible. Here's a link to my blog for more sets of these questions. Okay, cheers and have a good one.